Hello students. So you already have gone through the 4 kingdoms of 5 kingdom classification system. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the 5th kingdom, which is kingdom Animalia. Clear? So in the 5 kingdom classification system we have studied about kingdom Monera, we have gone through kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi and the kingdom Plantae. Okay, we have discussed regarding the various characteristics of the organisms which are present in these kingdoms. So today we are going to discuss the last kingdom of 5 kingdom classification system, which is kingdom Animalia. Okay, so basically what we have to discuss in this kingdom is the general features of different animals. Okay, so kingdom Animalia, okay, on the basis of presence of some general characteristics, the animals in these kingdoms are classified. So you can see the first character is presence or absence of backbone. Okay, they were classified on the basis of presence or absence of backbone, whether the backbone is present in the body or the backbone is absent in the body. Backbone जो हमारे पीछे हड्डी है आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी, that is backbone, and this long bone it is further made up of small bones which is known as vertebrae. Okay, so this is the first character, general character, that is presence or absence of backbone. Okay, या तो एनिमल्स में बैकबोन थी या तो उनमें बैकबोन नहीं थी. इस बेसिस पे क्या किया, एनिमल्स को क्लासीफाई किया. ओके, सेकंड इज मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स द वे, द मेथड बाय विच दे ऑब्टेन देयर न्यूट्रिशन. अपना खाना किस तरह से वो, ठीक है, प्रिपेयर करते हैं या बनाते हैं या खाते हैं. ओके, दिस इज मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. नेचर ऑफ बॉडी कवरिंग. ओके, whether there is presence of endoskeleton or there is presence of exoskeleton, whether the body is soft or the body is hard. Okay, this is known as nature of body covering. Okay, fourth is mode of reproduction. How the members, okay, in this kingdom they reproduce, they produce their own copy, whether the mode of reproduction is asexual or the mode of reproduction is sexual. Okay, so these are some general characteristics on the basis of which animals were classified. Okay, so these are the 4 general characteristics. Now first, on the basis of backbone, presence or absence. Okay, on the basis of presence of or absence of backbone, the animals they were divided into vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates, these are the animals in which the backbone is present. Okay, vertebrates are the animals in which the backbone is present, and invertebrates, these are the animals in which the backbone is absent. Like we can say vertebrate, example human. Okay, in this we can take example of earthworm. Okay, we can take example of butterflies. Okay, so humans, in case of yourself, you can just check that you are having this vertebrate, you are having the backbone. Okay, and in invertebrates, like you have seen earthworm, which is present in the moist soil. Butterfly, all of you have seen butterfly. So butterfly, these organisms, they are not having any kind of backbone. So on the basis of backbone, the animals they are divided into 2 types. One is vertebrates and the other is invertebrates. Okay, vertebrates are the organisms which are having backbone, and invertebrates are the organisms which are not having backbone. Okay. Now first which we are going to discuss is invertebrates. Now you already know that invertebrates, these are the organisms which are not having backbone. Okay, these are further divided into 9 groups. Okay, protozoa, porifera, then next here is coelenterata. Okay, next is you can see Annelida, then Arthropoda, then next is mollusk, after mollusk it is Platyhelminthes, then Nemathelminthes, and the last one is Echinodermata. Okay, so invertebrates, they are further subdivided into 9 groups. First is protozoa, then next is porifera, third is coelenterata, fourth is Annelida, then Arthropoda, okay, mollusk, Platyhelminthes, Nemathelminthes, and Echinodermata. Okay, so one by one we are going to discuss all these groups and the examples, means the organisms which are present in this group. Okay.